here I am forcibly making a YouTube video for once in my life. Okay, so I was just looking at my closet and I was like, after I did my last declutter, there's things I can get rid of. So I'm just going to comb through. I'm not gonna take everything out like I did last time. I'm gonna comb through and see if there's anything that I can feasibly get rid of. There's also some stuff that I already said I'm getting rid of and they're already on the floor, so let's do it. So this sweatshirt, there are quite a few items that were costumes from when I was in a dance group on campus. And when I first graduated, I was like, I can't get rid of any of my dance items. Now, you know, we've grown and we've learned, and I really, like, I don't wear orange, like a bright orange, and I probably will never wear this bright orange. So I need to be real with myself. This turtleneck is cute. It's a cute, simple ribbed turtleneck, but it is too itchy for me, and I never wear it because of that. So I worn it once since I bought it. Okay, I was about to say I'm unsure about this because it's literally like a yellow crop top, but I did just buy another yellow top that I think is more my speed. Like, these bright neon colors are just never, they were never gonna be me. Not never, but right now they're not me. My aunt got me this and I like it, but I literally haven't worn it because of the color. Do you see my issue? Oh my god, I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take it off for now. I'm making a pile of maybes and a pile of like just no. These are eaters, not gonna lie. No, I have some banger items. This one too, I've kept it every time because it was a gift. And the fit is really cute, but I don't think I will wear the bright green and the polka dots. Like, if it was like a more muted earth tone green, it'd be a yes keep. I have to try this on. Try on pile started. Trying this on because it still has a tag on it, and I literally bought it my sophomore year of college, so obviously I haven't worn it. You know, it's like, it's so versatile. Not worn. These shoes, honestly, I already know the pair that I need to be questioning, and I'm literally gonna have to throw away. It's these. They're literally damaged so bad. I just have such a hard time getting rid of shoes, but they've lived a life. They lived a life, and I wore them so much. Like, yeah, girl, we need to move on. Let me explore what's even at the top of my closet, because, well, I think these are swimsuits. Yes. Oh wait, I have some banger swimsuits, guys. Like, bedding, which I literally didn't know. This is for hair accessories, but I think I need to move it because, yeah, and we can go through her at a different time. And this is way more accessible. Like, I'm not accessing my hair accessories all the way up there. Okay, now I'm gonna try on some of these clothes. Okay, like, this shirt is cool, and this is actually one of the only collared shirts that I like the way the collar lays on me. But I tend not to wear it because, and this is why we need to get good quality things, folks. Like, this is when I was in my Yes Style era. I actually had a video where I showed me hauling a lot of my Yes Style stuff, which I did wear. I did wear the majority of it, but this one, and I have worn it, but I shy away from it because, like, you can see that where the fabric overlaps, and I think I won't keep it for that reason. That's crazy. I've kept this for so long. No, yeah, I feel like this could be cute. I feel like this could be cute. Okay, wait. No, this is cute. I think I also forgot the clothes that I have. Cause this is cute. I put it on and I was like, this is cute for like a little occasion. This is a very cute skirt. My friend was actually going to take it, and I was like, no, I'll take it, I'll keep it. And I'm looking at it and like, I really probably won't wear it. I won't, I think. I have like a green version that fits me a lot, like fits my style and my head a lot more than this one does, so. I am literally just going to like search through here. But some of these, like, I'm gonna keep them until I get an actual good quality replacement, and until then, I'm just gonna keep the bad quality one that I have. This is the top my friend gave me, and I've never found out how to like the styling before, so I might give it to one of my other friends. Oh, this is a wrap top, and I might never wear it again. I actually got rid of all my other wrap tops. I just had a revelation that I probably won't wear this wrap top. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna say that. Ooh. The thing with my videos, like, I'm already really organized. So it's not gonna be like a drastic organizational change. A lot of BTS shirts. This is like my fandom shirt. I have like a Conan, what's his name? Oh my god, Conan Gray, a Conan Gray t-shirt. I used to really be just like a t-shirt girl in my t-shirt era. I mostly wear, if I wear t-shirts now, like they're really oversized, or I'm like the baby doll, baby tee. And these are just like regular t-shirts. I haven't been wearing them that much, but these are ones I want to keep still. Maybe these. Yeah. There is always something that you can say no to. So after a second pass, these are all the clothes that I will be saying no to, as well as these sneakers. And it's just so crazy. Like, I felt like I was really thorough when I did this the last time, but this just shows you that there's always something you can get rid of. And also, like, with time things change, because it's now been probably almost a year since I did my last declutter, which is crazy. And this is all stuff that I kept, and I don't think I've worn any of these items. On to the next. And with those clothes, I'm going to have my friends look through them, see if there's anything they want, and with the rest, I will probably just donate. I may take it to like a place, like a reselling place, and see if they want anything, and if not, donations down. Now it is time to do products and stuff. Oh, you don't know how long I've been meaning to like do this once over of the closet and then like move on to kimono and like products and stuff. Like, I've been meaning to do this for so long, so I'm just so glad that I'm doing it now. I decided to do hair accessories and stuff first, because I realized I have a lot. So let's get to sorting. Give this to my boyfriend. Yeah. Yo, I've been looking for this for a hot minute. I don't know what to search to find one of these. Like, it's not a regular do-rag. I don't know, but mine, it's like she's beat up, but I'm keeping her because she's the only one I have. This is like a really old, this used to be a belt for something I had when I was like a little girl, and I decided to keep it to use my hair. And I need to really tap it back into hair accessories, because I think I ate that idea. As you can see, I literally have 3 like black headband things. The best quality one is from Life Wrap. If anyone was wondering, these ones are really good. This is where I'll be putting my scrunchies for now, because I don't know. As I just open this, put this back on here, I don't think, like, no. I got these because I was gonna try to be like, I don't know, cute accessorizing girl, but it's just not. I just actually don't see myself using these. Like, guys, do I want these? I could glue this back on, but I actually just, I don't want to. Me about to put this away, realizing I never wear it. But should I? Guys, like this one. These are maybes, I don't know. Okay, so these are the ones I don't want. This is probably one I don't want, but I'm gonna wash it. And this is now all of my hair accessories. So my goal is to do like products like skincare and makeup, and then like medicine and the other stuff. I am following a type of KonMari style declutter. So I am trying to get like all the products I own, get them onto the flow. Oh, y'all, it's so much mess in this cabinet, like it just made me scream. But let's just empty it. Honestly, medicine will be easier to do, and then there's also makeup in here. I have a feeling I should do like the medicine stuff first, because most of this is that type of stuff, and then I have like actual products like my skincare and my hair care, which will be like an actual issue, because with the medicinal products it's just like, is it expired or not? Okay, cute angle. Okay, let's just make a trash pile over here. Oh, let me do a trash bag. And y'all, I am a recycler, so I will also make a recycling bag. I've been keeping these face masks like just in case I have like a self-care night with a friend or with my boyfriend or something. But I'm looking at the expiration dates, and girl, we need to give it up. This expired in 2018. Oh no, and I feel like I haven't used them. They're probably just all expired at this point. Yeah, that's so sad. I've been not using these lipsticks. I'm going to see if my mom wants them because they're not for me. My one eyeshadow palette. Actually, I have two. I don't even know why I have this. Yo, why do I have this like beautiful eyeshadow palette? Me who wears makeup like once a year. Ooh, a really old primer that I'm going to immediately throw. Just anything. Honestly, with all of these like samples, yeah, they're already expired anyway. I don't use samples enough. I think they're good to use like if you're gonna travel. But if you don't travel and you don't use them, I mean, there's no point. I actually don't see an expiry date on this. I know this one's supposed to be good, so I'll keep one mask just in case. I don't know what this toothbrush is for. I might just start using it for cleaning because I do not know why I have a toothbrush in there. Somebody explain to me why I have three things of it. Okay, these are all things that I already said yes to. So we're going to very gracefully move them over. Take everything out of here. Oh, gross. Oh, gross. There is a gross, nasty bottle in here. Something is wet. Something is wet in there. Oh, and it's all over me. Oh my god. This is where the rest of my makeup is. I was looking for this. This just seems like it's not good anymore. Ooh, yeah, I wouldn't use this in my hair. So tell me why there is mold growing on my beauty blender. Like, I don't know. I've had this beauty blender for years and now there's mold on it. So everything is organized now. This is my lovely bag of trashed products. These are to be recycled. These are things I'm not keeping, but I'm gonna ask if someone else wants. Still have to do the skincare and that stuff. But it's a new day, as you can tell. But now I'm going to do skincare and makeup. That was a lot quicker than I thought. I actually don't have that much skincare and makeup. Aside from the fact that I now smell like 4 different perfumes because I just tried them out on myself. So this is everything that I'm keeping. It's like all skincare and makeup and fragrances and stuff. This is everything that I am not keeping. These are just like gonna be thrown away, I think. And these I'm going to see if someone I know wants them. And if not, then I'll throw those away too. Now to refill this lovely contraption. So for now, this looks a lot better than it did before. This is the final rotating caddy thing. Love it. I was actually surprised I was able to fit everything on there basically. And in here are just like miscellaneous stuff that I had strewn across the counter. And they're now in a tray. I'll have to find somewhere for these other things when I go through these drawers if they can fit.